So yesterday's stream and the recordings, they all looked like this, you know? And so eventually I, stopped and did a little break, and I look around myself, I see my phone on the ground. I'm like, holy shit, so lucky, it must have just fell out or something, right? I pick it up, I realize it's not my phone. It's an iPhone. I don't have iPhone. I click on it, it's still power. It still has power, and I call the first number that appears there. Some guy picks up, and it was apparently his phone. And he's like, oh man, thanks, you're amazing, shit like that, And then he comes over to me, and again, he's so thankful and shit. And yes, it was his phone because he puts his finger on it and it unlocks. And so as a thank you, he gave me $40. And so I turned off the night mode for today's video or for future videos. Have fun. I don't know what the fuck this guy thinks, but I'm not racing, Look at him. Here I'm like, it's green, move idiots. Nicht schon wieder. By the way, you can blame my girlfriend for this stupid hair in front of the lens. It's probably hers. I don't have long ones like that. Soll ich vorfahren oder was? Wohin? Ah!